adapter is reminded. We click yes and wait for the fix to complete. Now that the repair is done, we need to use the i2C Face ID repair line. We removed the original face line of Apple and replaced it with the face line of i2C. Third, we need to click Burn Cloud Data. All we have to do is install the i2C face line into the phone and it will work. The original face line is bent and folded. If you can't see clearly, you can ask the author for a high-definition video tutorial. Connect the i2C face repair bar with Apple's original face bar. This operation is very important. Please be careful to watch.